Have you ever done that thing while Christmas shopping for people that you impulse buy things for yourself and completely forget about them until they show up? Apparently I did that. Hey everyone, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 12 of Vlogmas and we are going to be doing an unboxing from apparently a mini haul. Dolls Kill said on their website, yeah, so on Instagram they had a post saying that they had hidden coupon codes throughout their website. So I went on and I clicked one item and then all of a sudden the website shut down. Because it shut down, they gave me a coupon code. So it's like a win-win situation. I didn't find a coupon code, but I got a coupon code and it worked because I had a credit with the store from, and I'm pretty sure I did / only have a little bit left. So we are basically going to go through the items that I bought. I have about probably $75 worth of stuff here, which could either be a lot or a little depending on what I bought. We shall see. Oh, this is gonna be a little bit of a lipstick haul. Okay. Here we go, guys. It's kind of funny having 5 lipsticks in a huge box, but oh, it's not all lipstick. Guess we're just gonna work our way down. The first item that I purchased was the Lime Crime Venus 2 eyeshadow palette. This is disgusting. This is literally coated in eyeshadow. Yo, hold on. You know, this is really unfortunate because I feel like I haven't purchased one thing that I've really liked from Dolls Kill because there's always a problem, which is why I had $75. That's why I had $75 or $78 saved to, like, as a credit because I have to keep returning everything. I've kept one thing. I have kept a skirt that's somewhere in here that's torn up, but I don't care because it's just so pretty. Yo, this has to load faster because I want to post this right now. Guys, this is so unfortunate. I was so excited to just, like, talk them up, but this is, oh my gosh, I literally don't even want to open this. Look at this. This entire container is just completely covered in eyeshadow. Can't even open that. So I'm not gonna open that. That's really unfortunate. And I got eyeshadow all over my white shirt. I'm in such a bitter mood now, guys. This isn't how Christmas is supposed to be. Well, congrats, Dolls Kill. You are making a great impression with me. And I literally got eyeshadow all over my phone. I cannot believe it. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I was gonna wear white pants today, but now I'm not because I always put my phone in my pocket, and if it's covered in eyeshadow, nope, not happening. So the next item that we are going to be looking at is a Lime Crime Nightshade Velveteen Liquid Lipstick. I honestly don't remember what this looks like. Ooh, okay. So this is pretty darn cute. So this is the Lime Crime Velveteen in a Nightshade. All right, do I swatch it on my lips? I mean, I guess I have to, right? I wasn't prepared for this, so I didn't do anything. So it's kind of like a purple. Not kind of, it is a purple, apparently. Let's put this on. So apparently I bought this color. That's kind of interesting because this isn't normally a color that I would find myself to purchase. Oh no, I definitely did order this. Okay, it's just interesting because on the website it definitely looks a lot more pink than what this came out to be. This looks a lot more like a dark purple. Again, not that that's a problem because I think that this is really cute and it honestly came on very easily. So no complaints. No complaints here. So I'm not going to link you to the Dolls Kill website. I'm going to link you down to Lime Crime's official website where you can get this because I had to admit that lipstick was rad. It was really nice and it went on nice and smooth. It only needed one coat and it looked pretty darn good. Here's the Sugar Pill. Okay, so we are looking at the Sugar Pill Trinket Liquid Lip Color in the shade Trinket. Oh, I get it. Sugar Pill Liquid Lip Color in the shade Trinket. I understand. I get it now. Looks like one of my favorite colors. Look at this. This is really funny. It's the same packaging as my favorite brand, Black Moon Cosmetics, and it kind of looks like their color. Oh, this was not screwed on all the way. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so first off, look at that brush. How it's flipped up. I hope that's how it's supposed to be. 2, it's kind of sparkly in there. Oh, it smells like peaches. So the only thing I wish I did before this was exfoliate so that you can actually see this better. But look at how adorable this color is. It's kind of like an orangey pink. I was expecting it to be really similar to my favorite color called Libra. It is not at all. This has so many more orange undertones to it, and it's got that little glitter to it as well. So again, I'm going to link you down below to Sugar Pill's website as well. And for our last lipstick item, I'm going to be trying out another Lime product called Black Unicorn Diamond Crush Lip Topper. So this literally goes on top of your lipstick. Ooh, already I'm liking it. Oh my goodness, look at how glittery this is. Do we just put it on top of this one? That's what we're gonna do. So this is like in the shade Unicorn, so it's definitely gonna be very purple. Oh my god. Oh man, I don't know how this is gonna work on top of this lipstick, but I'm gonna take off half of my lipstick so we can put it on top of lipstick and then also not on top of lipstick. Wow. It's really funny because even when you take this lipstick off, it still has glitter that stays on your lips. You guys like my ugly face I make? It's my cringe face. So we have half lipstick, half not. Let's start this. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness gracious. Oh me, oh my. Alright, so this is what we are left with. I think now that I'm putting it on, I'm not thinking I'm going to need to have any lipstick underneath it or just like a black lipstick or something that this can shine more on because it just looks a little funky. At first when I put it on it smelled like grapes and now it's smelling a little sour. Blah, whatever. So when I first put this on, I definitely thought that it was something that literally goes on top of lipstick. I mean, maybe that is really what it's still supposed to do, but I don't think it needs it because look at this side. This side looks just fine. So those were the 3 lipsticks I bought, and then we bought the mess of an eyeshadow palette that we're not even going to touch because that's going back. Pretty sure I'm just going to end up going to work with glitter all over my face, and honestly, don't even care. If anybody has any questions, I'll be like, why don't you have glitter on your face? So, after doing this little kind of sporadic little unboxing video, I have a lot in my mind. 1, Lime Crime. Awesome company from the little I know. This is literally the first time that I've tried any of their items, and I really like them. So, probably going to end up doing another haul by them when they have some new products coming out next year. Number 2, Sugar Pill. Pretty darn cute as well. Actually, that one was really cute. I really like that one. I can find that to be a much more everyday color. Honestly, I might throw some on right now because I still have glitter all over my face. That kind of help mask it. I just want this makeup mover to dry off my lips first. So, Lime Crime makeup. Awesome. Sugar Pill makeup. Awesome. We are going to be trying these out tomorrow, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates and you can check this out when it comes out. Dolls Kill as a website is just definitely not for me. I have never once in my life of like the 6 or 7 purchases I've made from them in the past year and a half had any good luck with them. I get a lot of damaged items. I get a lot of, I don't even know, I just feel like they're in over their heads, guys, because there's no way that this should have, you can't even see the palette underneath because there's so much makeup that has broken. Like, wouldn't they have noticed that? What is that? I'm so bummed. Oh my word, my goodness gracious me, oh my. I don't get it, guys. I'm mad. And I don't want to have another credit to their store because I'm just so tired of always having to return something. I literally have not made one purchase where I haven't had to return something back and end up with store credit. But on the plus side, the lipsticks are very nice and I did get them at my discount, at a discount and with a credit. I'm going to link you down to their original websites down below so you can buy from them because don't do Dolls Kill. You're going to end up returning something for some reason. Just don't do it. But I really do hope that you like this kind of grumpy little haul. I really did not intend to make this kind of like a grumpy little thing, especially during Christmas time. The whole point of this was to kind of surprise myself with something nice, and 4 of the 5 items were a pleasant surprise. So I am still very happy. I just have really learned my lesson that this is the last time I'm shopping at Dolls Kill. I really do hope you like this video. Feel free to like it as well as comment down below. You guys tell me, have you ever had poor experiences with Dolls Kill? Actually, no, we're not going to be negative. Tell me a positive experience you've had with Dolls Kill, please, in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates and other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.